Actually feels good though. Oh, yes. It's a sweltering, like 120 out here. That feels good. This is the fourth set in the same stand, so if it's starting to look familiar, it probably should. We just can't get pictures or see any shooters on any of the other stand locations except for this one and where Mike Worsick killed last night. There was several big bucks in here this morning, 2 shooters for sure. One we couldn't tell, but they came by this morning. We didn't hunt here. Of course, we haven't hunted this in the morning yet because we're not trying not to bump them. But hopefully they'll work their way back out and come get a drink this evening. We have a woodpecker picking in our tree, and a lot of deer really close, and the wind has died to like nothing. We just spotted a good buck, but I couldn't tell how big he was. Just through the trees across that pond dam, so hopefully it works his way this way. And we don't get busted. He's coming out right here close. Got the big 8. Good. Yes. Just smoked that deer. Oh man, that was cool.
He came in too, like down there, like
Just so sweet.
times.
Yeah.
Oh.
And just beeline.
Yeah, and he never, like the does are like so skittish and jumpy. He was
I
just
know,
like,
he didn't even care. It's funny. Yeah, and that 3-year-old came in, he wouldn't let him get to the water. That was cool. He kind of snorted at him when he was walking in and got bristly. And he wouldn't let the really pretty 3-year-old, he wouldn't let him on the water. That was sweet. Done in Wyoming, baby. Yes. Looks good from here. That buck is sweet. How cool is this? It's such a neat setting to shoot these deer in the mountains, so to speak. We were at like 4,500, so I mean, what an incredible setting to see whitetails, and you'd expect to see mule deer in this country, and there's a few, but it's dominated by whitetails, and man, he's sharp as all get out from just shedding, you know, they haven't rubbed much. So all this stuff down here is sharp. That's cool. Still got a little bit of velvet hanging, just fresh out.